Hey Jillian.
What?
Someone asked if we can help assemble their doors on their new IKEA furniture. Do you want to do that?
Today?
We could bring some tools and go over there and help them. What do you think?
Yeah, we should do that.
Are on our first ever house call. Shawn and Jillian Bill's house call.
Yeah.
Waiting for a package delivery. Trying to find the place. Are you ready to help, Jillian?
Yes.
Do you have your screwdriver?
Yes.
Do you have your tape measure?
Yes.
This is Roberta. Hi, Roberta.
Hi. Hi.
Jillian brought her tools.
Oh, great. You got your tools, right? Okay, great. Come on in.
Look at all those,
Yeah. Right? I should have called you sooner, really.
Jillian. Jillian, what's that?
Squishy lish.
Can I take your hoods off?
Look, I have a squishy lish.
I'll investigate these doors.
Back over here.
So basically it's, yeah, okay, so you've got all the hardware in.
Yeah, so
We
there's,
just need to slide it over the, got it.
I'm ready to screw things.
You ready?
Yes. When am I gonna need to screw something in? When am I ready to screw things in?
Alright, Jillian, you ready? We're gonna try the non-power tool. This door looks good, but that one's too tight. Jillian, do you want to see the difference in here? Can you see up here? Can you see that difference from down there? Let's take a look. Let's get the Jillian eye view. Okay, do those look even?
Yes.
Jillian, do you see how this screw here? It needs to go through the little circle. Can you make that happen on the very bottom one? The very bottom one. There we go. Is it in?
No, I can't get it to lock.
Okay, how about now?
It's in.
Still recording, Jillian? I think you're just going in your face, sweetie. Did we do a job well done, Jillian?
Yes, we did. I'm very